This video is sponsored by Airwick. Last year was our first Halloween in our new home, and we had a ton of fun decorating it. But this year we wanted to mix it up a little bit. I mean, 2020, the whole year has kind of felt like Halloween in a way, but we still wanted to do something extra special to make this year fun. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Happy fall, everyone.
I would say happy fall, y'all, but we don't live in the South, do we?
So,
look at these gooses. Whoa!
I know.
Those are so cool.
Okay,
All right, so fall is upon us, Emmy, and
oh my goodness, Emmy is very preoccupied. Why? Because you're about to lose another tooth. It's a pretty exciting time of a 7-year-old's life.
I already lost this one.
So we have got some really fun plans this Halloween. We've got a super fun theme we're going to reveal very soon. But first I'm going to show you some of our more general Halloween decorations in this video. We are decorating our kitchen and our playroom and a few other places. And we need to run to the store, huh? We already have quite a few items from last year, but I'm gonna go on a little mommy date with my cute Emmy girl, and we're gonna see if we can pick up a few more things. What are you doing? Wow, the witch has got some very spooky, especially with your mask on. What do you think? Do you see some cute stuff? For me, there's a fine line between cute Halloween, even though that's got a skull and it's kind of scary, and then
This looks really
not
pretty.
exactly my type of Halloween. Like, we've got the skeleton surfer, the skeleton in a bikini.
Classic.
Okay, this is kind of cute. Let's see, I think it lights up. It's got a little bit of an English cottage look, which we really like. As you can see, a lot of the shelves are pretty bare. I think because of the pandemic, there's less stock this year, but you know, these are not essential goods, so it's understandable. There's a lot of this Day of the Dead stuff that's coming in style, and I think it's so fun. It's not really the style we're going for, but very cute. Okay, we've got some other items to try too. This pumpkin man, he's cute. I think Desmond will love to give him big hugs. And this witch parking sign. We'll just have to see how this all flows together. These little felt ghosts are pretty cute too. We'll have to see if they jive with what we've already got. Not sure that that's gonna go with our house, but so cute.
Too hideous.
Too hideous.
No, too hideous.
She doesn't understand the Peanuts reference. Okay, lots of fun options here. If I'm not mistaken, this is a devilish candy corn. What in the world is that? All right, I think we've got a good group of items here. Nice work, sis. All right, so Emmy and I ended up going to quite a few other stores to find items that match the aesthetic we're going for. And you'll see why I'm trying to stick to a specific aesthetic in our next Halloween video, where we will reveal our overall theme, which is gonna be so fun. So now I just have to edit and kind of see what fits here and what doesn't. Always makes me a little sad because usually there's some pieces that I love that just don't fit in with the overall idea. So the main task now is to decorate the shelving in our kitchen, and later on I'm also going to give you a little bookshelf tour of the Halloween bookshelf in our playroom. So along with this fall decorating, let's talk about home fragrance. Home fragrance is something that is really important to me, and when my home is hectic, having it smell good just really keeps me in a happy mood. And around fall, that's especially true. I love all the fall scents. So this diffuser from Airwick is a really simple way to keep your home smelling great. This is really easy to use, and I love that it's a diffuser, but you don't have to worry about refilling it with water. And this is all plastic, but I think they did a good job with this wood grain. It blends in a lot better with our home decor than just like a solid plastic unit would. So it takes 3 AA batteries, and you just put the fragrance right up inside of it. Super easy. And then you replace the cover, and it's ready to go. So I just inserted the apple cinnamon scent, perfect for fall, but to give you an idea of some of the other scents they have, lavender and almond blossom, mandarin and sweet tangerine, and they have so many others too. I have to say, I'm kind of a fragrance snob. If a fragrance smells fake, I really don't like it as much at all. But these are made with essential oils, and so they really do have that fresh, natural smell. Okay, but the most convenient thing about this diffuser, it uses Bluetooth and it connects to the Airwick app, so you can control all of the diffusers in your house through this app.
A lot of smart apps can leave a lot to be desired, but Airwick's app is really great because you can set a schedule for when this diffuser goes off, and you can also set the intensity with how much fragrance it releases. And just to let you guys know, this will last you 45 days if you put it on a low setting. It doesn't go all the time. It's actually on an 8-hour cycle. So on the low setting, it will last 45 days. On the high setting, it lasts about 16 days. If you'd like to learn more about the Airwick diffuser, you can click the link in our description below. Oh my gosh. What did you just make?
Here's me.
Emmeline,
Here's
Daddy, Mommy, Hudson. Need to work on the spelling a little bit, but I love it. I just love it. Good job. Where should we put it?
Mom.
Oh, wow. Is that where you want to put it? Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll definitely find a place for it. I'm not sure if that is the exact place.
But why?
But just keeping it real. Emmy made this last fall for our decorations and hung it over our drinking fountain. It's still here. I never took it down. I'm really loving how these kitchen shelves turned out. I'm not sure if you remember our Halloween decorations from last year, but they were a little bit more cutesy than this. I reused a lot of the same pieces, but it's leaning a little bit more gothic, and I'm really liking that. My favorite piece, and we have it on both sides of our kitchen hood, is this little haunted house. It just reminds me of the architecture of our house a little bit, with the center vestibule and gables on either side, and I just thought that was way too fun. The gothic wreath really finishes it off nicely in the center. I was happy to find that because most Halloween wreaths just aren't really to my taste or don't really jive with our style. So Desmond, you've got your swimming suit on. We're gonna go swimming at Nana's, but at the same time we're preparing for Halloween.
Yeah,
to most people that's weird. But here it's still in the 90s, huh? I think a wreath is the single most underappreciated piece of decor out there because it can be a whole mood. Like you can put a wreath on your door and say, bam, it is now Halloween decorated. I was happy that this layered effect worked because the Halloween wreath was a little bit sad last year, let's just face it. Well, that looks better. It should be noted that Desmond is in a phase where I'll get him dressed for the day and he says, I want my pajamas back on. So we put on a clean pair of jammies. All right, so my strategy here is I don't want to buy like 10 live pumpkins every year. So I've got the live pumpkins mixed in with the fake ones. And I feel like that really helps. I think all fake pumpkins would just look very fake. But I don't know. What do you think? Probably still vibes a little fake. It's just too many pumpkins to go to waste every year, huh? We can only eat so many pumpkin seeds. And these beautiful plants just came. These are from Knock Knock. They just deliver them right to your door and you just pull them out of the box and put them in the planter. So convenient. I would say this jives more like fall in general, except for the wreath. But that's what I really like about just pumpkins and things that are more harvesty, is because I feel like they can lean Halloween a little bit paired with something like a wreath. And then around Thanksgiving, you can make it a little more classy, a little less black and orange. And then you've got some fun fall Thanksgiving decorations. So that's what we'll do up here too.
Today we are going to put a spider, big spider, behind Hudson while he's playing video games. And Mom's just gonna talk to him and then he's gonna leave.
Okay, let's try it. Have you been having fun playing?
Why did you put his blankets on the ground? No, it didn't. But you better suffer, dude. Oh!
Oh my gosh, what is that?
This is gonna make me feel like...
Oh, don't touch it, it's real! Don't touch it, it's real! Hello, my little pretty. One thing that really helps me seize the day, especially holiday seasons with my kids, is children's books. I search for the most beloved Halloween stories. Some of these are older classics, some of them are brand new, and there are just so many fun stories out there to read.
The Nightmare Before Christmas has become an absolute classic at our house, and maybe it is at yours as well. And this illustrated children's book by Tim Burton is magical. The kids love it. Another book I've fallen in love with, it's a new book, is How to Make Friends with a Ghost by Rebecca Green. And this is actually her first picture book. I cannot wait for her to release more. It's just a quaint story about how ghosts are really friendly. And this Vampire Bite book is Desmond's favorite. I love the moving elements in it. The kids asked me to read this one over and over again.
You're scared, aren't you, Desi? You like Halloween.
And do the another one, the orange one?
Yeah.
Show mommy a spooky ghost.
I want to see the spook. Let's see Daddy's spooky ghost. Oh, spooky Halloween. Oh, the ghosts love each other.
Is it scary?
Ooh, are you trying on your Halloween costume? I love it. All right, well, thank you for joining me for another fun decorating video. This is really part 1 of 2 of our Halloween decoration, so stay tuned on the next one to see our big reveal of the fun theme that we're doing. I'm so excited that the holiday season is basically here. This is my favorite time of year. And here at Great Scots, we've got a lot of really fun holiday decorating videos planned for you. So thank you for being here. Hope you guys have a great day. We will see you on the next video. Bye.